G'day, welcome to Chalk Cine Control. I'm Chris Chalk and today I'm at the Outpost in LA where it's bloody hot. Speaking of hot things, a couple of new hot items from the guys at Obsidian Control Systems. This is the new EN12i, which is a new variation of the EN12 node. This one's actually designed more for installation applications. On the front here, very familiar if you're an EN12, EN4, RDM10 guy. You've got the standard display, the rotary encoder with push button and back button. Where this one's a bit different is the fact that it's got an Ethernet port on the front and a DMX in-out. And then we also have our power indicator and our connection indicator. On the back's where it gets really interesting. So, standard things, we've got power in, we've got a fuse, and then we have these two terminal strips. Now, in this one, I've got RJ45 and IDC connectors. The product actually comes with two of each connector, depending on what you want to use. And it's really simple. If you want to change it out, you just unscrew it, disconnect, connect your new one in, screw it in, and you're good to go. So there's lots of mounting options. They also include some of these other IDC connectors. So if you want to make your own cables and all that sort of stuff, you can do that. Next to that, we have the remote port. Now the remote port is for use with the new BS10 switch, and we'll talk about that in a second. Also, you've got your 10 contact closure triggers. So this device, like all of the EN12 and the RDM10, you can actually connect switches to this and manually trigger cues that you record into the node. Then of course on the back we've got 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, and the bottom one does PoE. So on its own, it's a pretty cool, tough, robust product. When the magic really happens though is when you connect it to the new BS10. Now the BS10 is a little switch panel that'll fit into a regular wall receptacle. And what's really cool about this is on the back, it has an RJ45 port, which allows you to connect it directly to the remote port on the EN12i. So what you can do is you can record cues into this and then trigger them with the switches on the BS10. So, if you've got a bar or a little club or a demo room or spaceship show, this looks kind of sci-fi. And what you can do is just record cues into the device and then map them to the buttons. And when you push the button, it plays the cue. So EN12i and BS10, hot new stuff from Obsidian Control Systems. Thanks for watching. See you next time.